Welcome, Languages 247, Vocabulary, Lesson 80. They are meeting for something to eat. In their lunch hour. They haven't seen much of each other. The young doctor she met. Everything is still going very well. She is having some problems. Housemate. He wouldn't say boo to a goose. A strange partnership. He speaks his mind. As time's gone by. To come out of his shell. He's a bit sexist. Inappropriate comments. In the kitchen. Getting the shopping. Have you spoken to? We had a good talk. To have a chat with him. He wasn't very revealing. He has caused trouble like this before. He feels threatened by you. Do you know the saying, "Three's a crowd"? He's taking it literally. Things seem to have died down. Time will tell. Here comes the food. I'm absolutely starving. The problem is resolved. He's not having a go at me. He's not really talking. He's being a child. Ignore him. Easier said than done. He's always there. He'll sit there. Sulking. He's talking nonsense. This sounds terrible. What are you going to do about it? To spend more time. He helps with the rent. It'll be a lot of work. To get another housemate. I don't know anyone. Looking for a place to live. On the lookout for. He's serious about. Getting rid of the guy. I want to get it sorted out. Causing problems. I hope it doesn't come to that. You are really very nice together. He's just jealous. Constantly behaving like that. Maybe things will calm down. I miss hanging out with you. You're making me feel absolutely dreadful. It was a joke. I am very fond of. I want you two to be happy. Put your foot down. I won't say anything. Give the guy an earful. Things will improve.